Hey guys, I want to talk to you about my new powerful car mount. So this is going to be awesome. It's actually going to come with two mounts that we can go ahead and use in the air vent clip, or we have another mount that we can go ahead and put on top of the dashboard. Both of these is going to be fast charging. It's 15 watt, okay? We get this awesome case that comes with it, and it's going to have the powerful magnetic charger, okay? No matter how many bumps you hit, no matter if you're on a back road or anything like that, this is seriously going to hold for you, okay? Let me open it up. I want to show you everything that comes with it, and then how awesome it is when you go ahead and you need to put on music for YouTube, or if you need to go ahead and put on maps, what it's going to look like in your car.
Smooth, flat surfaces. As you can see in the video, I hold mine down on there for a couple minutes to make sure a secure fit. Now let's go over this case. This phone case has anti-drop protective. It's going to be made of TPU material. It has a 4-layer cushioning structure and has a 360-degree airbag embedded inside, providing excellent protection from bumps or scratches. I would 10 out of 10 highly recommend this set.